Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the cross-back straddle, also known as the butterfly. This is a basic pose that can be turned into a spin and it's the foundation of many different partner moves.
I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Alright, let's get started and remember, you've got this. If you have difficulty separating the silks in the air, you can separate them on the ground before starting your climb. Once you're a couple of climbs up, we're going to start with the double foot locks. If you're not sure how to do this, then you can check out my beginner moves video in the top right corner. Once you've got both foot locks on, check to make sure that they're even. This is really important later on when you invert to make sure that you're level. Bring your arms through the silks with your thumbs facing down. Cross your hands to the opposite silk, arch forwards, pulling the silks apart, keeping your feet together, and then pull your shoulders back through the silks. Straddle your legs apart to bring the cross up into your low back, and then pull up to invert over. To exit, reach up to the silks and then lower down with control. Your shoulders come through the silks, uncross the fabrics, and then you can take your foot locks off and come back to a climb. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Alright, let's go through that again in slow motion before I show you my favourite entry for this pose, as well as some common mistakes to avoid. Reach up high to separate the silks and then start by putting on your double foot locks. Bring your shoulders through the silks with your thumbs facing down. Cross your hands behind your back onto the opposite fabric and then arch forwards to bring the fabric as far down your legs as you can. Keeping your feet together, pull the fabrics apart to create space for your shoulders to come back through, and then re-grip with your thumbs facing up. Straddle your legs apart to bring the silk up into your low back, and then pull up before inverting over. The pull up here is really important. That's what's going to help you get up and over the fabric. To turn this into a spin, bring both fabrics together and then start a big stirring motion with the tail end of the fabric. To exit, reach up to the pole ends of the fabric, pull your upper body up and then lower down with control. Shoulders come through, uncross the fabrics, and then you can come back into a climb. This is the chair entry into the cross-back straddle. It's one of my favourites because it's a fast, smooth way of getting the fabrics crossed behind your back. If you'd like me to do a video explaining how to do this or other entries into the cross-back straddle, then let me know in the comments down below. Common mistakes to avoid. Try not to bend your knees too much as you're inverting over. Forgetting to lift up before trying to invert. This makes it extremely difficult. Slowing it down, you can really see how much I pull up before I invert over. Here's another angle where you can really see the lift that's required to help you get up and over the fabrics. For those of you that have stuck around to the end, a quick tip to improve your inversion into this move is to come out of it as slow as you possibly can, as this will help to build strength. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on the cross-back straddle. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!